Changing your primary admin on IDrive is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth transition. Step 1. Log into your IDrive account. Before changing your settings, use the srock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings option in the dashboard. This is usually found in the top right corner of the screen. Step 3. Select user management. In the account settings menu, find and click on user management. This section allows you to manage user roles and permissions within your IDrive account. Step 4. Choose the new primary admin. In the user management section, identify the user you wish to promote to primary admin. Click on their name or the edit option next to it to access their user settings. Step 5. Assign primary admin role. Change the user role to primary admin by selecting the appropriate option. Confirm the changes and ensure that the new admin receives a notification about their new role. After completing these steps, your primary admin will be successfully changed. Make sure to communicate with the new admin to ensure a smooth transition.